Welcome back everyone. So in today's session we are going to control the brightness of the LED by using the potentiometer. Now so let me just give you that means what you are going to learn here in this video. You are going to learn about how to interface LEDs first and how to control the brightness of the LED by using the potentiometer. So just watch the video till the end, so you will get to know that how to interface LEDs and how to control the brightness of the LED by using the potentiometer. So let's get started without wasting so much of time. So on the screen you will see the circuit diagram. So you can connect each LED to the digital pins of the Arduino. So I'll just zoom it so that you can see how I connected the LED. Just a second, I'll zoom it. Yes, here you can see I have connected three LEDs, one to the digital pin 12 and one to the digital pin number 8 and one to the digital pin 4. So what I'll do here, I'll just make all the digital pins color of the wire, I'll make it red so that we can understand that this is the power pin, or you can say this is the digital pin. So make it red. So it's very easy. So okay, so I have connected with the resistors, because you all know that resistor is necessary to limit the current so that your LED will not burn. So now I have connected one to the ground, one leg of the potentiometer connected to the ground, you can see here, and the another leg is connected to the positive, that is plus 5 volt supply, and the output of you can see now, and the output of potentiometer is connected to the pin A0, that is analog input of the Arduino. So I'll make it yellow color. So if you are following my channel, you will know that I'll always use yellow color for the analog inputs. Okay, yeah. So now this is the simplest connection you can do. So here you can see. Okay, so once again I'll explain. I have connected three LEDs to the digital pins 12, 8 and 4, and all the cathode pins of the LEDs is connected to the ground, you can see here. So you can change its color to black so that you will understood that this is the ground pin. Okay, it's very simple project. Okay, so you can control the brightness by using the potentiometer now. So after that I have connected potentiometer, and the output of the potentiometer, that is analog output of the potentiometer, is connected to the analog input of the Arduino. So now the most important part is coding. So we'll see that part. Let's see how to do coding. So now I have done this coding in Arduino C. I have not used any block coding or anything. So now I have explained all the details of block coding in previous videos. So you can see that videos as well. So in that videos I have explained how to do the block coding. So now I have used the simple coding for controlling the brightness of the LED by using the potentiometer. So this is the simplest program. I will explain this program to you. What we can do, we can start the coding from the scratch, I can say. So let's get started. I guess yes, we'll start. So we'll define each pin. So we have connected INT LED1. I'll write LED1 equals to, it's connected to the pin number 12. So define each and every pin. INT LED2, you can give whatever name you want. You can give yellow, blue and red, like that as well. It's up to you. So I have 8. After that INT LED3 equals to LED3 equals to, yes, I have connected to the pin number 4. Yes, okay. After that I have connected analog input, that is, so I'll write here pot means potentiometer, so equal to A0. So write A0 and semicolon. Okay, so now again I wanted to initialize one variable, that is INT input value, something like that, whatever you can use input value to store the value of analog output, or you can say to store the value of the potentiometer, equals to 0. Right now it's 0. Okay, so now we'll open our white setup, sorry, void setup. Okay, yes, inside the word setup, you all know that anything you write inside the word setup, that code will run only once. So whenever you restart the Arduino, or whenever you power up the Arduino, the code inside the word setup will run only once. So here we need to define all the pins that we have just defined above, that it's input or output pin. So let's define each and every pins. So I'll write here pin mode, that is, so first pin is, that is your pin mode LED 1. So I'll write here LED 1 comma, it's a output pin, so semicolon. Okay, once again, so let's start. So I'll copy this thing and Control C, I'll paste it here. Okay, for 3 LEDs and 1 for the analog pin. Okay, all these 3. So LED 2 is also the output, LED 3 is also the output, but pot, that is your potentiometer, is not the output, it's an input. So you can define that as well. So it should be in capital. Okay, so we have done with the void setup. Let's give the curly bracket and close it here, curly bracket at the end. And now let's start the while loop, that is here the inside the while loop code will run again and again. Okay, so we'll start our while loop, and inside the while loop I'll just wanted to read the value which is given by the analog that is a potentiometer. So I'll write here input value, the variable which is defined above. So I'll write here input val equals to analog read. Here I'll write pot pin, or pot, sorry, only pot. So let's semicolon close. Okay, so now we wanted to control the brightness of the LED by varying the potentiometer. So let's see how to control. So now let's write analog write. Here I'll write LED 1 comma input value, the value which is stored inside this variable, that is input valve, and divided by 4. Now I will explain you why I divided it by 4. So that, so once again copy this entire once again for all the LEDs, like Control V. So this is for 2, 3. Okay, so yes, so now at the time last we'll give the delay so that it works smooth. Give the delay of 100 milliseconds, semicolon. At the last we need to complete the curly bracket. So I guess we have done with the coding. Now I have divided it by 4 because I wanted to convert that analog value to it will give the output, that is 0 to 1023. So I just wanted to convert it into the 0 to 255 so that I can control the brightness of my LEDs. Okay, so just a second, we'll see the simulation whether it's working or not. Yes, let's see. Yes, the brightness, you can see we can able to control the brightness now. It's very easy project, and the Arduino C coding is also easy. So if you found any difficulty in Arduino C coding, you can ask, you can just comment, right? If you like the video, just please share, subscribe and like. So thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.